noticed you decided not to opt for CourseFunnels Pro. While I totally respect your decision, I think we should have another look at why CourseFunnels Pro is important. Here's the thing. I've been making software for internet marketers for 8 years now, and I've made a bunch of really cool products. I talk to our customers all the time, and there's a pattern I've noticed. The customers of our pro products are always more successful. They are doing better, making more sales, and getting better results from their business. I suppose it's the mindset thing. They are really out there for their business and trying to exploit every resource possible. The Pro version of CourseFunnel is one such solid resource. It practically does away with every single limitation that the Elite version has. Don't get me wrong, Elite is solid. It's really good if you have a small business online and don't want to work as an agency for others. You can do enough for yourself to scale your business up. But what will you do then? What will you do after you start getting results and your business needs the pro level? Or when you start getting gigs and you suddenly run out of juice? If you lose pro, you lose 15x the capabilities. No unlimited courses, no unlimited mailouts, and no unlimited students. You won't get unlimited lists and you won't get unlimited sender identities either. There'll be no ready-made sales page to make your sales easier, and that is important. That sales page is written by $1 million copywriter and designed by a top-grade designer. It's created to get you results. If you had all these resources, you would find it much easier to land and serve customers. So are you ready to give up all of that? And also the amazing training that we're including and the bunch of extra bonuses that we have and all those extra sales that you can make? Why did you skip Pro anyway? The features weren't good enough? Do you feel you won't need these extra capabilities? You don't want to invest a lot today? Let's make it simpler for you. Let's make it a no-brainer. It has to be a deal that you just can't turn down. So here it is. We are confident about CourseFunnels Pro. We know you will more than love it. You are going to get amazing results from it. So don't pay us to get CourseFunnels Pro. We'll pay you. How does that sound? Incredible? Well, it's real. Here's what we are going to offer you. Get CourseFunnels Pro trial for 14 days for only $1. Yes, $1. Use it for 14 days. Run your traffic, make those campaigns, target those ads, convert those customers, make those sales, make those profits. And if at the end of 14 days, you find you're ready to let go, ready to cancel your access, let us know what was missing and we will return $5 to you. Yeah, we'll pay you $5 if you decide not to move forward with upgrading to CourseFunnels Pro. You won't be charged a penny more before the end of the 14-day period. So listen, if you pass on this offer, your competitors won't. And if they get to exploit what CourseFunnels Pro can do for them, consider your customers stolen. Go on, claim your CourseFunnels Pro trial for $1. And yes, if you don't like it, tell us anytime before the end of the 14-day period.